Alrighty, this is a Biltmore stick. Very handy forestry tool. Records tree diameters using the power of geometry. Indirect measurements, a little bit faster than using a D-tape all day. So how it works is you hold it 25 inches from your eye, place the stick at DBH with one eye open. You then roll your eye across to where one end of the stick intersects with the bark, and then where the marking, you read the marking where it again intersects with the bark. So you hold it to the tree. It's about a 10-inch tree. As you go up into larger trees, the sticks do become a little bit less accurate. So you'll take two measurements to sort of average out the size of the tree. We'll call this 19. We'll call that 20. Now, what if you were to take all the convenience and speed of a Biltmore stick, throw it out the window, so you can measure extraordinarily large trees? YFF Productions presents the world's largest Biltmore stick. Now, to demonstrate the use of the world's largest Biltmore stick on this large, impressive burrow, we have Forest Tech Colucci taking the first measurement with the world's largest Biltmore stick, and Mr. Mesley here to help out.
All right, thank you very much.
Mike, guide us.
Mixman's belly, please move approximately 14 inches that way. A little bit further. Just a little bit more.
Have that string tight.
Yeah, I will. Go on.
We want to be
going.
super accurate.
Keep going. Stop. Mesley, take it back about an inch that way because next is not too good. Right, stop right there. All right, gentlemen, please hold it steady. I read 59.
Okay, and now take it again. It's a very egg-shaped tree. We want to be only the utmost accurate.
Of course. Mr. Major, please, 6 inches further this way. And stop right there. And just a little bit further. One more. Stop. I read 53 inches.
All right, we'll call that 56.
On the uphill side.
51 and a half. We'll take it.
Am I getting paid for this?
Dude, we spent all our money on the world's largest Biltmore stick. We don't have any money left over to pay
Well,
Ian.
what do you want me to say then?
As an aspiring arborist climber, how do you think the world's largest Biltmore stick will change the game for climbing arborists?
It's totally not going to.
Really?
Yeah, absolutely
Not at all?
No.
Are you sure?
Totally.
But think about how cool you could be.
It'll get you out of it.
Here's what forest technician Anthony has to say about the world's largest Biltmore stick.
It's the best Biltmore stick in the world.
Is it really impressive in person?
Very.
Do pictures do it justice?
Absolutely not.
Alright. Mesley, what are your thoughts on the world's largest Biltmore stick?
Now, this right here,
No curse
prove
words.
some timber with this right here. This is a beautiful work of art.
Ethan, as a forester working in an inventory this summer with your companion, Trip, would you consider a way to augment a harness to attach the world's largest Biltmore stick to your dog so he can assist you in measuring trees?
I would definitely consider it.
Trip, do you have any input on this? Take that as a yes.
I think he wants to.
We approve animals. Will, as a recent graduate, as of yesterday, are you upset that academia is only now exploring the possibilities of the world's largest Biltmore stick as a biology student?
I am pretty upset about it. I think this would be useful in California for the really large redwoods to get a really proper measurement.
Do you think a tape measure would work better?
No. This right here, sturdier than a tape measure. Because, you know, tape measures bend. Sometimes they get so bent they can't go back in. So this Biltmore stick, a sturdy piece of fine American wood, it's way better.
Brad, as a very large forester, do you think you would prefer to use a Biltmore stick with a 50-inch reach, such as the world's largest Biltmore stick, or a standard 25-inch reach, normal person Biltmore stick?
You know, it's tough to say. There's something to be said about compaction, but you really can't beat the reach of the Reach 50, you know? I mean, like, the fact that you know there's no tree out there that you can't reach. And you know what? That's something to be reassured of. So, you know, aside from its slight impracticality, like, I would definitely recommend the Reach 50.
Megan, as someone who's going to be working out on the West Coast, possibly in some very large timber, can you see the world's largest Biltmore stick possibly being useful? Because we could really enjoy a contract with like some big agency or something. That'd be super sick.
Yes, without a doubt. I'm sad that I don't have one of these to bring with me out there.
Do you think the shipping cost on an airplane would get expensive?
Maybe. We'll have to do it.
Would you get stilts so your arms could be 50 inches long so you could use it one-handed?
I think that sounds perfect. Yeah.
Nice. Hello, Brett Moore. This is YFF Productions, and we're interviewing you. How large do you think the world's largest Biltmore stick is? Yes, it is. Probably not. That costs money.
Does it actually cost money?
Yeah, it costs like $1,000. But as our favorite super logger, can you see this changing the game for forestry?
No.
Why not?
Because it's not practical.
Why isn't it practical? It's so big, you can measure any tree with it. Thank you, Brett Moore.